Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ground bloom flower fireworks safely and effectively. These unique fireworks spin on the ground, creating a beautiful display of light and color. Before anything else, always prioritize safety. Make sure you have a clear, open area, free from any flammable materials, and keep spectators at a safe distance, at least 25 feet away. Reading the instructions is your first step to a great show. Now, let's get your ground bloom flower ready for its performance. First, carefully inspect each firework for any signs of damage. Never use a damaged one. Find a hard, level surface, like concrete or packed dirt, for placement. It's crucial to ensure there are no flammable items, such as dry grass or leaves, within a 10-foot radius. And always have a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. It's showtime. When lighting your ground bloom flower, always use a long-handled lighter or a punk stick. Carefully extend your arm and light the very tip of the fuse. As soon as it ignites, quickly back away to your designated safe viewing area. Enjoy the mesmerizing spinning and vibrant colors. Remember, if a firework doesn't light or stops working, never, ever try to relight it. Just leave it alone. Once the dazzling display is over, safe disposal is key. Wait at least 20 minutes after the firework has finished before you approach it. Then, thoroughly douse all spent fireworks with water to ensure they are completely extinguished. Place these soaked items into a metal container with a lid. After they have cooled completely, you can safely dispose of them in a non-combustible trash bin. Enjoy your fireworks responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.